Hello friends, once again welcome back to Excel Homemade Tutorial channel. If you haven't subscribed our channel so far, so kindly hit the subscribe button now. You will see there are a lot of other videos than Excel only. There are videos about interview questions, English and many more things you will learn here. So let's get started. Today's topic, I'm going to talk about the View tab in Excel and what all functions comes under View tab and how does it work. So let's get started. First function is normal page layout. Next is page break layout. When you click on the page break layout, you will see the window opens like that. Third function is page layout. If you want to see the specific data where it is in your page, so you can click on page layout. To go back, click on normal again. Now you have also option of custom view. If you want to set any custom view of any data, anything you have in Excel you're working in, so you can add. Otherwise you can just close it now. Next option we'll check about is grid lines. When you click on grid line on and off, so you can see the whole thing looks transparent white. Same goes to heading. If you want heading, you don't want to have heading in your workbook, you can remove. Same goes to formula bar. This all depends on you. When you go to the view tab, what all you want to view, what all you want to see. When you click on the zoom, you have options, many options how you want to zoom your data. You could check. The next function says 100% zoom also. If you wanted to go back to the normal view, that is 100% zoom. Now you got one more option, zoom to selection. When you click on particular range, it will be zoom. When you click on particular cell, it will be zoom. Next is new window. Now you can see two workbook is already open. Yes, there are two workbook open when you click on in a view tab in a new window. And next option I will talk about is view side by side. When you click on that, so screen will be like this, so it will split into two. Now you got options to arrange them, vertical, horizontal, and many. 4 options are there. So now if I click on vertical, you will see the screens will open like this. Now you got an option for scrolling. If you want to use one workbook on hold and another is to scroll, so you need to click on that function. So now one is working and one is not scrolling, but one is fridge, like that. You got options down is reset window, position, vertical, horizontal. You can even change again. You can also switch windows. If you have many windows open in Excel, go to view and you can switch windows easily. When you click on again the view side by side, it will change back to normal. So at your far left you can say it's highlighted the normal, so it's a normal view. Split, if you want to split the sheet from anywhere, you can use the function split. Hide, unhide also, if you want to hide the sheet. If you have already opened two and see the one sheet is already hide, one workbook is already hide, now I will unhide it. So now there are two workbook open, so hide unhide function works like that. Now you have option of fridge panes. You got 3 options in there. One, you can fridge anywhere you want to fridge, just click under that. And next option, fridge top row. Then you have option, as you see only the top row is fridge, rest all are moving. Then your option of the fridge first column, so highlight the column and click fridge first column, so you will see rest all cell will move except the first column. So that's how the fridge panes works. It really helps to work in Excel when you're working on a data, so use this fridge panes. And to remove, you need to go back and do the same thing, same action, repeat the same action if you want to remove any action you have done. Switch window we have already done. Now macros. For the macros I have already made a specific video. If you want to go check out, link will be in the description, because it's a whole lot of topic itself. And that is it for this video, guys. Hope you find it valuable. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time. God bless you all. Yeah, as you can see, there are many videos you can check out here in Excel Homemade Tutorial channel.